Lubricants have been in use for thousands of years. In 1400 BC, mutton and beef fats were used to reduce the friction in chariots. We've come a long way since then, and our relationship with oils and greases has only grown more intertwined.
Hello, I'm Steve from the Oil Task Team here at Gregg Distributors. Welcome to Gear Up with Gregg's Propel Oil 101 series. Throughout this video series, we are going to cover everything from the basics of oil to specific types, applications, and even some chemistry. The goal of this series is to bring you up to speed with the ins and outs of oil, and hopefully, along the way, you'll get to know some new products you have yet to test out yourself. The oil in machines is like the blood in our veins, and just like how blood gives life to your body, the right oil gives life to an engine. But before I get too metaphorical, what is oil? Well, historically, motor oil has been just a mixture of base oils and additives used to reduce friction and wear, cool, seal, cushion, clean, transmit power, and prevent rust or corrosion. The bearings, cylinders, and gears of any vehicle or machine will likely be most in need of regular lubrication. For our purposes, lubricant and oil will be used as interchangeable terms, as oil is essentially just a more specific subgroup under the lubricants umbrella. So, when looking at purchasing any kind of lubricant, you should be looking for the one that has proper viscosity of your application, oxidation resistance, rust and corrosion protection, emulsibility or water separation, foam resistance, seal compatibility, and anti-wear or extreme pressure properties, just to name a few. Today's video is going to focus primarily on the three main types of engine oils, as there are some of the most common types of lubricants. Number 1, conventional/mineral, which is derived from refining crude oil. It has excellent properties that allow it to provide lubrication at high temperatures, as well as maintaining its stability over long periods of time. 2, synthetic, which is formulated with polyalpha olefin or PAO, ester, or highly refined Group 3 base oils. Synthetic oils offer better thermal stability at high temperatures, better low temperature pumpability, reduced friction, and natural detergency. 3, semi-synthetic or synthetic blend. These oils are a combination of conventional and synthetic base oils. These oils offer higher performance than mineral oils, but they are a lower cost option to full synthetics. There's a good chance semi-synthetic oil is what's sitting in your car right now, as they are pretty popular in today's market. The Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE, has established a numerical coding system for grading motor oils according to their viscosity characteristics. Because the viscosity of oil changes with temperature, multi-grade oils were developed to provide protection across a range of temperatures. In a 5W30, for example, the number before the W, standing for winter, describes viscosity of the oil at low temperatures. The lower the number, the thinner the oil, and the better the oil's cold temperature or cold start performance. The number after the W describes how thick the oil is at the engine's normal operating temperature. So in short, this helps explain not only what the grading means on your bottle of oil, but it also explains why you no longer need to do seasonal oil changes if your vehicle uses multi-grade oil. However, it's still important to keep up with a regular oil change schedule. So, how do you choose the right lubricant for your application? First, here are some questions you should be asking yourself before choosing a lubricant. What kind of lubricant do I need for my application? Oil, grease, something else? And what type? How much do I need? How do I apply this lubricant? And how often do I need to reapply? If you know the answers to these questions, narrowing down your options will become significantly easier. But if you're not sure what lubricant would be best suited for your application, we recommend checking out your owner's manuals. Next time on Propel Oil 101, we're going to get scientific and look at the chemistry of oil. We'll be talking a lot more about oil, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything. If you have any questions, you can leave us a comment, give us a call, or visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Steve, and I'll see you next time. Have a great Canadian day, eh?